Hi everyone, welcome to Stage Deck. Prepositions of time: in, on, at. In is used before time, danger, depth, detail, areas. On is used before road, watch, balance, a pension, a date, a trip. Yet is used before high speed, risk, one time, a loss, sight, the end. In is used before seasons, months, years. On is used before days. Yet is used before time. Some examples: I go to Hyderabad dash Monday. Monday is a day, so we should use on Monday. He will meet me dash 5 o'clock in the evening. 5 o'clock is a time, so we should use at. School holidays will be dash summer. Summer is a season, so we should use in summer. He should be there dash March. March is a month, so we should use in March. We are dash winter. Winter is a season, so we should use we are in winter. She will come dash Friday. Friday is a day, so we should use on Friday. Raju came from Hyderabad dash 5 pm. 5 pm denotes time, so we should use at 5 pm. Banu will study BTech dash June. June is a month, so we should use in June. Ugadi festival is dash Saturday. Saturday is a day, so we should use on Saturday. They were dash 2013. 2013 is a year, so we should use in 2013. Some more examples: in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, in the winter, in the summer, on Sunday, on Monday, on Tuesday morning, on my birthday, on a weekday, at night 8 o'clock, at midday, at bedtime, at midnight, at sunset.